Hi, dear faculty members, research scholars, and PG students. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about where and how to start our research paper. Because most of the beginners, particularly research scholars and PG students, are struggling where we have to start our research paper. That is, which section we have to start our research paper. So now they are struggling. So here I am giving some tips to how to start, where to start our research paper. So this is the general hierarchy structure to start our paper writing. This is the procedure of writing. Specialists, scientists, senior researchers are suggesting like that. So we have to start from figures and tables. Then we can go with the methods, results, discussion. After writing these, we can go conclusion and introduction. So finally, abstract and title. So this is the suggested by senior researchers, scientists. Uh, but as per our convenient and as per your convenient, you can start anywhere. This is not a mandatory. Okay, this is the base one suggested by senior researchers and scientists. Okay, so but here in this video, I am giving some tips to where we have to start. So initially, it is necessary to collect data or data set. Depends upon your focus. It depends upon your research area. So we have to collect data or data set. Okay. So because this is the base fundamental of writing our research paper. So without data or without data set, we can't implement. We can't do anything on the in terms of implementation and analysis. So initially we have to focus on collection of data set, that is benchmark data set or standard data set we can say, or you can develop your own data set also. Okay. So this is the base work, this is the groundwork before starting your research paper. So after that, you have to framework your proposed method. Okay, so already we discussed the problem definition. So based on that, we have to framework our proposed method, and accordingly we have to implement on any platform, whichever you are comfort. You can implement the proposed method on data or data set. Okay, so based on that, we can get results. Okay, so after that, one more important is the implementation of the existing method, because the quality paper should have the comparison. Okay, so not only the proposed method, we should compare with the existing method, that is state of art method, and that should be published in a recent year also. Okay, so because nowadays the reviewers and publishers are expecting, okay, the proposed method should be compared with the existing method, and it should be analyzed in terms of some measures, metrics, graphical notations, so etc etc. Okay, so we need to implement the existing method in order to compare with our proposed method. So based on that implementation of the proposed method and the existing method on collected data or data set, obviously we can get results. Okay. So the results should be construct the tables, and also justification is required, and it can be a graphical notation also. Okay, so we have to construct the tables whichever we got the results on the data set. Okay, so we have to group or categories the results, and also we can give the some justification graphical notation also, so in order to prove your worthiness of the proposed system. So it may be a 2D graph or it may be a 3D graph. Okay, so now we have all the results obtained from the proposed system and as well as the existing system. So now we have got idea of how our proposed system is superior to the existing system, and also we can compare with the numerical values what you got, that is in terms of measures or metrics. Okay, so all the things we have, and now we got an idea to write all the things. So here the many ways are there. So after getting these results, so you can start from anywhere here. So these are I am suggesting, because the results are very core area of our research paper. Okay, results are and the proposed method and existing methods results are very important to that is write our research paper. So these are the methods you can start with. That is, you can initially, so now you have a performance report of your proposed method, so you can start with the abstract also. Then you can introduction, give your introduction of your domain and everything. Okay, so in future videos we will see how to write abstract, introduction, literature survey, everything. But so here my suggestion is you can start with that results and discussion, my own opinion. Okay, so here are the points to remember while writing manuscript. Okay, here the follow the author's guide given in the target journal. So it is a mandatory, already I suggested. So based on the author's guide given in the target journal, you can start with the format or template, everything. Okay, and proper and related citation should be given, because the citation is very important. It should be related citation. Okay, and then each statement and paragraph should be continuity. Okay, so you have to follow each statement and paragraph continuity. We have to maintain the continuity of each statement and paragraph. And one more thing is justification of the statement also necessary. For example, if you are giving statement this method is superior than that method, means, so without, unless until giving the citation, it is not a valid statement. So we have to give the justification. Suppose if you can give some citations, or you can give some reasons also. Okay, and the justification of the proposed method using graph representation is also very important. Okay, and then analysis of the proposed method using measures and metrics also very important. So we have to analyze our proposed method with comparison of existing method using measures or metrics, like that. Okay, and finally result comparison and justification with existing method. Okay, these are all the points to include in your writing manuscript. Okay, and obviously figures should be clear. Okay, because the reviewers more for giving more focus on your figures, so the figures should be clear. The figures should be quality publication quality figures. Okay. So thanks for watching my video. Subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Press the bell icon for notification. Thank you.